Hello guys, this is Alan Bradley PLC software series RS Logic 500. This is lecture number 3, how to simulate project in RS Logic 500. Let's see, we need in this for simulation we need one RS Logic 500 software. For my ladder program I need RS Link software, that is RS Link software to provide a link between the PLC and the software, and the third one is my RS Logix emulator. This is RS Logic Emulate 500. These three software I required for the simulation purpose in Allen Bradley PLC. Now I can go to the file, go to the new project and select my PLC. I can select any PLC, but I am going to select the Micrologic 1000. This is Micrologic 1000. I say this is my ladder diagram edit mode. This is a programming mode, programming window. No, this is my NO contact. I place on it, click on it, and will be drag here. Now I place on output energize. This is my coil. I click on it and it will be there. Now this is my input. I can give it address I colon 0/0. This is the address syntax of the Allen Bradley. In Siemens it is I0.0. In Allen Bradley it is I colon 0/0. 0 is the byte or a word address, and it is a bit address. Zeroth byte or a zeroth word and its zeroth bit. This is basically an address. Siemens it is 0.0, I 0.0 in Siemens. In Allen Bradley it is I colon 0/0. The same way output it is O colon 0/0. Now we have to move forward. This is my input, this is my output. I can go and run my and simulate my project. How I can make it? I can save this file. It will be saved anywhere. I can save it in my desktop because I want to use it again. This is my, let's say, simulation. I can give any name. Now it has been saved. Anyways, this is my save file placed on my desktop. I can open now a simulator, RS Logic emulator. I can go and open the same file which I have saved on the desktop, but there is some problem which I will found when I open this file in emulator. I open it, it will give me error. This SLC 500 program must be compiled before it can be emulated. Okay, I can go my program and compile it. This is verify. Now it is basically a compiling. Now I can save it again. I can save it as save as and save it. Now I can go to the emulator and open the file, and I can uh, select my simulation file. This is a simulation. Now it is open. Now I can give station red, let's say default it should be 1. I can give any address. Anyway, now it is okay. Now I can run this. Now program has been done, emulator work has been done. Now I have to add my driver in RS links. I can go here, communication, configure driver. Now this is a driver list available here. I can add SLC 500 emulator driver. Add new, it will be add. This is my name. I can say okay. This is a station name. I can say okay. Now this my driver has been added. If my protocol is some other one, it is Ethernet devices or serial communication, I can use any other driver which I have in my PLC. Anyway, now at the time we are going to connect using an emulator. So I can select this which is here. Now I can close that window. My driver is here. Now my PLC is here. It is added, MicroLogic 1000. So I can go and download my program. This is offline download. You can also go here and download. So I download this, I say okay. It will ask me, are you sure want to proceed with download? I say yes. Processor is in remote run mode. Processor must be switched to remote program. Continue, yes. Download failed, communication error. Why it is failed? I can try it again. Okay. And okay. It is failed again. Let's see what is going to be happen. Emulator is running or not? No, emulator is not running. Now it is running. I can go here and download again. Now it is fine, I think so. Again fail. I think drivers are okay. Drivers are working. So everything is fine, but it's still going to give me error. I can go online. It will give me online. I think it has been downloaded. Yes, it was downloaded. I go to the online and run the PLC now. Sure into run mode? Yes. Now it is running now. It is simulated. I can go here and toggle my input. It will be on and it will be on. I can toggle it will be off and it will be off. This is my how to simulate project in Allen Bradley PLC RS Logic 500. It is little bit complex. It has some steps, but if you will do a couple of times, practice it, it will be very easy to learn. It is very easy to remember. Anyways, this is my first lecture on how to simulate project on Allen Bradley software RS Logic 500. Inshallah, I will come with new lecture. Thank you.